Hi, I'm Christian. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Today we're working on a 48-inch Viking range. The customer's complaint is that the right-hand oven is not baking, so we've already diagnosed that it needs a new bake element. So today we're going to be replacing the bake element on this Viking range. The tools you will need to complete this repair are a pair of needle nose pliers, a pair of technician tweezers, a 5/16 nut driver, or a 5/16 drill bit incorporated with the drill. Before we go any further, I just want to point out where the element has failed. You can see it failed here and it burned up a little bit, and there's a little bit of a white soot on the actual oven itself. To begin the repair, we want to go ahead and remove the oven racks. To do so, you're just going to slide out by pulling it to yourself, towards yourself. Once you get to the end, you do want to lift up and then finish sliding it out. Now we can set this one aside, and we'll do the bottom one in the exact same order. Just like that. The element is secured in by two 5/16 screws, so we do want to go ahead and remove the screws so we can remove the element. As pulling out, one of the terminals did come off when we were pulling it out. So you can see one of the wires is still on the actual element. So they're spade connectors. You just pull right off. Just like that. And now we can set the old element aside. Now we're ready to install the actual new bake element. So to do so, we're just going to go ahead and line up the the terminals on the element with the wires. So they're spade connectors, so you just push right on. And go ahead and use some needle nose pliers to assist me putting the last one on. Just like that. So once both wires are on the new bake element, we can go ahead and push the bake element back. And re-secure the element with the two 5/16 screws we removed earlier. Once the element's secure, we can go ahead and reinstall the racks. So when you're reinstalling the racks, you go ahead and line them up. You're going to do it at an angle, tilting upwards, push back. Once you're about 2 inches back, you can go ahead and lay the rack flat and push the rest back. And you're going to do the same thing for the second one. So once the racks have been returned to the oven, you can go ahead and close the door, and that'll complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality in-home repair video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.